Whoa, Sidney Powell, aka the Kraken, and one of Donald Trump's top lawyers who tried to overturn the 2020 election just pled guilty in the Georgia election subversion case.
And Mr. Rafferty, have you had a chance to go over the guilty plea form with Ms. Powell?
I have.
And did you, when you went over the form with her, do you believe that she fully understands each and every aspect of that form?
I do.
Ms. Powell, do you understand the charges that are against you here today?
I do.
And Mrs. Young, let me pause you there since we're on that subject. If we could tender the plea form now as well. Of course.
Have you? I just want to make sure. And Mr. Rafferty, you signed this along with your attorney, with your counsel?
I have.
Sorry, your client.
Yes, I have. May I approach you?
Of course. All right, thank you. And Ms. Powell, I've been handed a document that's titled a plea of guilty form. Is this your signature as well on the second page?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
And ma'am, do you understand that this is a negotiated plea, which means that your attorney and I have reached an agreement, or the state has reached an agreement as to the proposed sentence that will be made to the court?
I do.
Do you understand that the recommendation being made to the court as to this accusation on counts 1 through 6 that you be sentenced to 12 months of probation to run consecutive with one another?
I do.
And remember, this was the same Sidney Powell who claimed she had all of this evidence that the election was stolen. And to nobody's surprise, Sidney Powell is actually pleading guilty to actual election interference. Remember, they always accuse the other side of what they're guilty of. This is a big, big deal. And very bad news for Donald Trump and all of the co-defendants involved in that case. Which means she'll very likely be a witness and testify against Donald J. Trump and all the co-conspirators. And that is great news for America, for democracy, and for law and order, because we must hold every single person accountable who tried to overturn the 2020 election based on a lie.